welcome to my channel. Today is just a short video vlog of our garden that we're doing this year. This is our 4th year of doing a raised bed garden as well as some other potted plants, and we're super excited about it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Thanks guys! Okay, here we are at the Klein's homestead. We're going to plant some cucumbers that we started from seeds. We got a bunch of herbs that we bought, a bunch of lettuce, romaine lettuce, looking kind of droopy. Here's paste. We're going to put some plant food in there in the raised bed. So yeah, should be fun.
No, it ain't for the bird.
Got a little pumpkin coming up here. Say hi, Case. We got most of our bigger plants planted. I planted my herbs in some planters that are hanging on our fence that my husband repurposed from an old pallet for me. We also planted our lettuce and one of our zucchini plants in the raised bed, and just for precautionary measures we put up some mesh net that we got on Amazon that I'll link in the description, just to keep the birds out and other unwanted pests. This is our 4th year of having a raised bed garden. We've only planted the lettuce and the zucchini today. We've still got a lot of plants in the greenhouse. They're still getting a little bit bigger. We hung this net to keep some of the birds out of there, hopefully, because they like to pick up the lettuce. We planted some sunflower seeds. Over here we've already got some big sunflowers coming up. Some other plants, some daisies. There's some sunflowers back there coming up, so we'll just see how everything turns out. Inside we have our greenhouse that we got on Amazon a couple years ago. I'll link that in the description. It has 4 levels and it's super easy to put up and take down. It has a cover that you can zip up or zip down when you need to water your plants. We normally leave it zipped up all day when we're not tending to the plants to help keep the humidity in. We also have these lights that you see here that aren't currently on, but they also help to produce heat to help the plants grow. This process works really well for us, so we can start our plants early indoors during late winter, and then we let them grow and then we can plant them outside. So it just works really well for us. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope everything made sense, and if you have any questions or gardening tips of your own, please leave them in the comments below. My husband and I aren't really fancy, we just do what makes the most sense for our family, and hopefully as our garden grows, we can make more videos to keep you guys updated. Thanks guys!